In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate your Outlook emails with Monday.com. This integration will help streamline your workflow by keeping all your communications in one central hub, making it easier for you and your team to stay organized and efficient. So let's dive right in and get started. The first step is to open your web browser and navigate to Monday.com. Once you're on the site, it's time to think about where you want to integrate your Outlook emails. Head over to the board where you'd like to set up this integration and focus your attention on the upper right corner of your screen. There, you'll find an integration button. Give that a click. It's your gateway to setting up the email integration that you'll be relying on. When you click the integration button, a search bar will appear. To make things simple and direct, type in Outlook into the search bar. This will filter the options and make it easy for you to find exactly what you're looking for. The Outlook integration. Once you see the banner for the Outlook integration, click on it to move forward. This is your ticket to connecting two powerful tools that, when combined, offer a seamless communication experience. Clicking on the Outlook integration banner will introduce you to a variety of templates designed to optimize how you manage emails within Monday.com. These templates offer different options for using the integration based on your unique needs. Browse through them and find one that aligns with your requirements. When you identify a suitable template, don't hesitate. Click on it. This is a critical step as it will lead you to a prompt that asks you to connect your Monday.com account with your Outlook account. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully to ensure the integration process is as smooth as possible. You'll then be asked to choose the email account you'd like to use with Monday.com. It's essential to select the correct email address that fits your workflow needs, as this will form the foundation of the integration, linking all your essential communications. And there you have it. Your account is now successfully connected to Outlook, and you've opened up a world of possible automations and communication enhancements. You're now ready to build templates that will significantly improve how you communicate with your team. This integration not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures that everyone on your team stays organized and on the same page. We hope you found this guide helpful and that you're excited to explore the variety of templates available. Be sure to take your time and pick the ones that best suit your workflow. And before you go, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and have a productive day integrating your communication tools.